How to use Auto CCM, an Ospiro production. Ospiro's Auto CCM is a browser extension that allows courseware users to format math very quickly. To install Auto CCM for Chrome, our recommended browser, visit the Chrome Web Store. To install Auto CCM for Firefox, visit Auto CCM's webpage at ospiro.com. In Chrome, the Auto CCM icon offers useful shortcuts. On courseware, you'll notice a blue bar at the top of each Try It. This is the Auto CCM menu. At all times, you can format math with Control-M or the Format button, or deformat math with Control' or the D format button. To use the other features, you'll have to press Control/ or the Start button. Then, Control-M to your heart's content. Auto CCM will automatically highlight the next instance of unformatted math. To skip over an erroneous selection, use Control, or the Skip button. If you lose your selection, use Control, or the Return button to return to it. If you want to stop Auto CCM, like to fix a typo, use Control/ or the Stop button. Another Auto CCM feature is Format All, accessed with Control:. This will format all math without user interaction. Users must confirm this selection because it may not be ideal depending on the time of day, server usage, amount of content, and the resilience of their machine and browser setup. Download Auto CCM today.